having a wonderful start to your day wherever you are. We're here having breakfast. We go our separate ways, and I'll show you what I'll get up to. Do you know what you want to have for breakfast? Hmm? Stop! Do you know what you want to have for breakfast?
Egg. I don't know. What about you? Do you know? They have egg. They have enchilada. So they can, I know, just enchilada. But chilaquiles, they can put eggs on them.
Chilaquiles is like potato chips with meat on top and egg on top. Can I have tostada de tinga de res?
With yeah.
Good. I will be out and about around the city maybe, get some work done and do house work. How was breakfast?
That's good.
This place is always...
No!
No!
Caffeine molecule.
I don't drink coffee. He just wanted to share that because he loves it, okay? So I'm gonna go back to the house,
Okay.
get some work done maybe, or take my laptop and get some work done on the road.
Okay, that's it.
Listen, I have no business coming downtown in midday. In addition to that, the Uber driver was cracking me up. He asked me where I'm from. I told him I'm from Jamaica. And he said he has never seen on TV any Jamaican with the pale, my skin is beautiful, yada 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 yada. So we were cracking up. Now I am downtown walking because someone thinks I need to get out of the house. Let's see what's interesting downtown. Downtown. Walking, but not mindlessly in total. I'm gonna check out this museum here. Museum Palacio de Cultura. And they have this exposition going on, which I will be checking out. Gracias. Stumble upon this store that make hats and custom made hats. Oh, the famous tacos de canasta los especiales. The line is always long. One of my favorite spots to eat at in downtown. Always a good idea. So after walking around Zocalo, going to a museum and I got goodies. I end up buying something for myself and for the husband, and now I'm getting food before I head back home, which I am looking forward to. The menu has changed. I've been here before. I love it. I usually have their fish, but I'm having ramen and sushi, I guess. So I'll have this and then head back home and wrap up my day. I think I need to get home and clean my office and organize my office. Well, it was my husband's office and I took it over, but we'll see about that. I thought I was recording, but clearly not. So I clean up the desk a bit and I try and sort out the wires that were detangled. And I broke a flower pot. I need to replace a flower, but I'll do that at some point this week. Now I am going to take the dogs out. Before it rains and he wants to play now. He's crazy. I want to get home before it starts to rain, so I'm gonna end the video here. Look, he wants to play. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye.